Alright, what's up everybody? My name is Aliyah. Welcome to CraftsByAliyah. Today we're doing a little something different. I'm not going to be doing a tutorial or anything like that. I'm going to be showing you some different ways on how to make things out of your scrap yarn. There's so many different things you can make. Alright. Okay, so for the first thing that you can make is these little coasters. Now this is some leftover cotton yarn that I had. Can you see it? And what I did is I just made a little coaster. I'm not going to be doing any tutorials in this video. I'm just going to be just showing you guys different things you can make. But if you want a tutorial on any of the things I show in this video, comment down below, like this video, hit me up, you know, just let me know. But yeah, so I can make these little coasters. I made this out of cotton yarn, and you can make like a set of them. You can make them in different sizes. They can be used for gift sets or anything like that. If you have some extra yarn, I suggest cotton, but you can use acrylic or any extra yarn that you have. I'm sorry if I keep looking at the screen. It's because this is my first video I've done on camera, so I'm trying to get used to looking at the camera and not at myself, so bear with me. But yeah, coaster. Okay, the next thing, I'm like just sitting in my parents' room right now, and everything is like on the floor because I'm not professional yet. I'm trying to get there. But the second thing is headbands. So headbands, so easy to make. I don't know what I made out of this yarn, but I had some extra, like I only had a little bit left, and so I just started this last night and I made a headband, and it's perfect. I mean, I know it's summertime, but I feel like you can still wear a headband. Like, it could go with anything. It's so cute. And it's so easy to make. If I have a headband tutorial actually on my channel, and I'll put it in the upper, I think, you don't know which side it's gonna be, but it's gonna be right there. And click on that card and it'll take you to my tutorial on how to make a very simple, easy headband. It's like beginner friendly, super easy. And even if you are a beginner, I have beginner videos as well on how to do like the simple beginning steps to learning how to crochet, and I'll put a link to that up here too, and I'll put it in the description box below as well. But this is another headband I made. I made like a what did I make? I made like a two-piece set out of some yarn I got from this local yarn store, and then I had this extra yarn left over, and I just thought it just looked so cute to just make a little thingy thing. I really like this. Look at this yarn. It's beautiful. I got it from this store. I live in Sacramento, and I got it from this store called like Rumpelstiltskin or something like that. It's like really clever, like Rumpelstiltskin, something like that. But they have really good yarn if y'all live in Sacramento. Okay, so that was number 2. So now we're on to number 3. So number 3 is some beanies, y'all. These are so easy to make, and you know, even if you have, let's say you have a lot of one color and then you have a little bit of another color, so you can use a lot, like whatever color you have the most of as your main color. Like this pink, I had like a whole skein of pink. Like I accidentally bought too much yarn for my project, so I had too much pink. So and then I had left over this like coral color. I had it left over, so I just used it as like an accent color. So I made this beanie and I made this pom-pom. It's so easy to make. I think this beanie is so cute, and even though it's summertime, like this beanie is really lightweight, it's not heavy, and I think it's cute. So you can make a beanie. Oops, you can make a beanie and make a pom-pom. These are so easy to make. And I have some other hats. I had some leftover yarn. I don't know what the yarn was, but I just made this other simple hat. Now this hat is a little bit more like Rasta, a little bit more like saggy. and I just made a beanie out of this. And then also, like I said, with the pink hat, I had just a little bit of this yellow yarn and I had a lot of this cream yarn, so I made a beanie out of it. And I decided to use up my yellow yarn by adding it as an accent color, so that is a really good tip that you can use. And this is also just a beanie I made out of some leftover yarn. If you guys want some tutorials on these are so easy, like this style of beanie, these little loose ones, these so easy to make. I could make you a tutorial on how to make that. I know there's lots of tutorials, but mine are superior, so no, I'm just kidding. If you want me to make a tutorial, I will. I probably will anyway, even if y'all don't comment or nothing like that. But anyway, moving on, that was number 3, so now we're on number 4. So number 4, I have a necklace. So most people who do crafts and stuff like that have beads and things like that. If not, honestly, I got these beads from, let me show you. I got these beads from Walmart. They were really cheap. I just remember they were not expensive at all. And then I had some leftover yarn, like scrap yarn. You know, like when you're doing your projects and you like are trimming your yarn, like you don't have to throw away those little trims of yarn, like you paid for it. So what I did is I just put some beads on here and I just made a little necklace. And hold on, let me put it on for y'all so you can see. See, so cute. And also, as included in this, number 4, number 5, you can make a bracelet. So I'm not gonna put it on, but you can make this. You can make a necklace and a bracelet. Really simple. And then another thing, and I don't have it with me right now, but another thing that you can make is a scrap blanket. So I'll insert some pictures in this video to show you guys what I mean. But you can make a scrap yarn blanket. A lot of people do this. It's called like a granny square scrap yarn blanket. So what I do is I literally have a bag. Actually, let me go get the bag. I'll be right back. I'm back. So another another thing you could do is keep all your scrap yarn. So this looks like a lot, but it's really not that much because it's bulky yarn. But keep your scrap yarn. So I have a bag. This whole bag is just full of leftover yarn, like leftover yarn that you can use, and you can make. See, I had a little bit left of this yarn, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. But I don't throw it away. I paid for my yarn, so I'm not throwing it away. So I just keep this bag and I put all my leftover yarn in here, and when I'm bored or when I don't have anything to make, I grab out of there and I either add it onto my scrap yarn blanket, which I'm gonna add pictures of it somewhere in here, add it on my scrap yarn blanket, or I make a beanie, or I make a headband, or I make something out of it. Because I mean, yarn, you can use it for so many different things. I'm sure there's a lot of other things you can use scrap yarn for, but these are just my favorite things. So let's go over the list. So you can use your scrap yarn for number 1, a coaster. Number 2, a headband. Number 3, a beanie. Number 4, a necklace. Number 5, a bracelet or an anklet. And number 6, a scrap yarn blanket. So yeah, those are my 6 ways that you can use your scrap yarn for and not waste it. And you can use it and you can sell it and you can profit off of it. Trust me. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you click that like button, click that subscribe button, comment down below. Check me out on Instagram at CraftsByAliyah. That's CraftsByAliyah. Yes, CraftsByAliyah. And then I also have an online store at depop.com/CraftsByAliyah, where I sell custom orders. So I do sell things. So if you guys are looking for any, I'll try to put some pictures up, any cute 2-piece sets or headband, all the stuff I showed you, I sell those too. Coasters, scarves, headbands, beanies, crop tops. I make a lot of stuff. So beach cover-ups, I can make almost anything in any color for almost any size person. It's custom made. So you give me your measurements and I go from there. It's really simple. If you guys want to order anything, you can hit me up on my Instagram, or you can hit me up on my online store at depop.com. You can just message me there. All right, y'all, that's it. Peace. Bye. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. So, a anklet. Is this appropriate? I don't know. You could use it as an anklet. I shouldn't have done that. And okay, my necklace came off. We're just gonna